Imagine earning a full-time salary, while barely talking to anyone, with work that feels almost too simple, and companies still begging you to apply. Sounds fake, right? But this is exactly what these 7 jobs are. Quiet, low stress, high income, and fully remote in 2026. Today I'm exposing them one by one. And trust me, number 1 is painfully boring, but pays like you have 3 degrees. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Let's begin. But first, ask yourself this: what's more important? Doing exciting work, or getting paid enough to live freely? Most people choose excitement. That's why these jobs stay wide open. And why you can step in. Ready? Job number 7, the Data Quality Reviewer. Yes, it sounds dry. Because it is. You review data entries. Check for errors. Fix formatting. And keep systems clean. Pay? $25 to $40 per hour. Companies love attention to detail people. Machines still mess up. And someone has to clean the mess. This job stays hiring every year. And 2026 is no exception. Job number 6, Localization Tester. Imagine clicking through apps, making sure text isn't broken, and confirming translations show correctly. That's literally it. You don't need to be bilingual. Just follow the test script. Pay? $30 to $45 an hour. Yes, for clicking and noting down issues. Job number 5, Compliance Monitoring Assistant. Sounds scary. It isn't. You read guidelines. Match them against documents. Check if things follow rules. Companies in finance, insurance, and healthcare always need this. Pay is solid. $40 to $60 an hour. And remote forever. If you can follow instructions, you qualify. Job number 4, Document Formatting Specialist. This job is so boring, people quit. Which keeps openings high. You take PDFs. Convert them. Clean the layout. Adjust spacing. Apply simple templates. Sometimes using AI tools. Pay? $20 to $35 an hour. And extremely consistent work. Job number 3, Trust and Safety Reviewer. You monitor content. Approve safe items. Reject harmful stuff. And follow a checklist. This job stays hiring globally. Because platforms grow non-stop. Pay ranges. $25 to $55 per hour. Depending on platform. No degree needed. Just resilience. And a calm mindset. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Job number 2, Payroll Processing Assistant. Yes, you help organize payroll. Enter employee hours. Manage spreadsheets. Confirm payments. Verify tax forms. It sounds complicated. But once you learn the steps, it's the same routine each time. Pay jumps here. $45 to $70 per hour. Companies hire non-stop. Because payroll can't stop. Job number 1, the most boring. The most repetitive. And one of the highest paying remote jobs. Data Governance Associate. Don't let the name scare you. You aren't coding. You aren't managing teams. You aren't designing systems. You're simply making sure data follows rules. Is it labeled correctly? Stored correctly? Accessible by the right people? If not, you update the log. That's it. The pay? $60 to $110 an hour. And companies cannot automate this yet. That's why hiring stays constant. And 2026 is predicted to explode with openings. But here's the twist: most people scroll past these jobs. They want something fun, something creative, something glamorous. Meanwhile, quiet, boring jobs keep printing money. And you can learn them in weeks, not years, and not with expensive schools. Just simple tutorials, free online courses, or on-the-job training. So if your goal is freedom, work like this is your shortcut. Want an even easier start? I'm giving you a tool at the end, one that actually paid me $100. But before that, here's something important. None of these jobs require you to be loud, or extroverted, or charismatic. You can be quiet, calm, private, and still earn more than loud talkers. That's why these roles stay open. They're not glamorous enough for the crowd, but perfect for people who want stability, a predictable routine, and real paychecks. So here's what you do next. Pick 2 jobs from the list. Learn the basic skills. Prepare a 1-page resume. Search remote boards. Apply daily. That's it. You don't wait for motivation. You build momentum. And once you land one of these roles, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Now, here's the part you waited for. The simple tool that made me an easy $100. It's a micro-task platform. You complete boring assignments, small reviews, tiny checks, quick validations, and you get paid instantly. No experience needed. Perfect for beginners. And perfect while you learn the higher-paying roles. Use it as a stepping stone, or as your first online income. Either works. But remember, none of this matters if you don't take action. These jobs stay open because people hesitate. They overthink. They doubt. They wait. Don't be one of them. Your future self will thank you. And before you go, make sure you don't miss tomorrow's upload. Because tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Seriously. You'll want to be early. And if you're new here, I drop remote job resources, income tools, and AI shortcuts every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe. And click the bell button. Because opportunities move fast. And I don't want you left out. Thanks for watching. You're closer to remote freedom than you think. Keep going. Keep applying. Keep learning. Your time is coming. And when it does, you'll look back at today and realize this was the moment. The moment you decided to change things. Don't stop now. You've got this. And I'll see you tomorrow. The life you want? It's built with small steps like this. One decision at a time. Stay focused. Stay hungry. Stay consistent. Your future is waiting. And it's closer than it seems. Take the first step today. And keep climbing. You're capable. More than you think. And you deserve a job that pays well, without draining your soul. These jobs do exactly that. And they're open now. Go get one. Believe in yourself. And click subscribe. I'll guide you the whole way. This channel is now part of your journey. And everything gets easier from here. See you in the next video. Take action today.